What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today is Friday, June 10th. Back at it again with another video for you guys. First of all, let's all wish my niece a very happy 6th birthday. Happy birthday, Gianna. We love you so much, mommy. Just wanted to wish you a very happy birthday. I'm currently making a quick lunch slash dinner. My husband made some lunch for himself last night for him to take to work today. He left some leftover meat, so I'm just going to make a quick rice. I have some salad in the fridge, and that will be our lunch slash dinner for today. Yeah, let's get that done.
100,000 seconds. Why can't we get these right and it
Oopsies.
I want to help. Like this. And bread.
All right, we're gonna leave this. Oops.
We're gonna leave this bad boy.
We're gonna leave this bad boy while we go to the park real quick. Rice will be cooking while Ian and I run to the park for a little bit. The good thing is the rice will be cooking. The meat is already ready. And the salad is in the fridge. It's just a regular, like, how you call it?
Salad?
You know, the little salad kits. So we're just gonna do that for our lunch when we get back. Yeah, so we'll see you at the park. All right, so our neighborhood park was packed. It looked like a command was having like a picnic or something. So I Googled our next nearest playground. Found this one here. All right, let's go check out this new park. It wasn't too far from the house. It's right here behind me. Let's go check it out. So we spent about an hour at the park. Now we're here at the school to pick up Eli and Ethan. Ian and I are starving. Are you starving, Turare? He's starving and I'm starving. And it's warm. It's kind of hot. Look at my stomach. Oh my gosh. Woo! Ready to get home and eat. Tug, you pull it back. You feel it? You got one? Oh, you got a little one. Let's see who can make the bullseye.
Ian, wait till you move.
Wait till they move, okay, babe? Whoa!